Hello, good afternoon everyone. So this time, ipapakita po natin kung paano po mag-folder redirection dito po sa Windows Server 2008 R2. So before po tayo mag-folder redirection, make sure na we have we have the Active Directory Domain Services, the DHCP server, the DNS server, the file services, the network and policy access services, print and document services, and we have also the remote desktop services. So, punta pa tayo guys sa start. Then, dito po guys sa local disk, gawa po tayo guys ng folder. So, sample guys, gawa tayo dito ng XNHS. So ito guys na folder guys, right click natin, properties. Then, we're going to tab sharing, share this folder. Then, ito guys, everyone, add, then read and write. No? Then, we're going to share this folder to everyone done. Then, advanced sharing, we have also the permission. So, dapat guys naka full control, no? Okay, then check. Okay natin guys, close. So, before po natin i-close guys, make sure po na nakopy natin yung network path. Okay, so we're done creating the folder. So, this time, we're going to move to administrative tools. Then, we have also the group policy. The group policy. Then, no? So, before tayo guys sa group policy, make sure na meron tayong Active Directory users and computers. So, our domain is chs.com. So, yung ginawa natin guys is XNHS. So, ibig sabihin, gagawa tayo dito ng OU, Organizational Unit, which is the XNHS, okay? Then, under ng XNHS, gagawa po tayo ng user. So, new user. So, sample, yung user natin is ito, C2, okay? So, yan po ang default user natin. So, we're going to change this one, uncheck, then check the second box and third box. Then, our default password is admin. So, make sure po na caps lock yung letter A, admin. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, confirm password, admin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next, finish. Then, pagkatapos po guys ng Active Directory users and computers, make sure po na nakagawa tayo ng OU. Yung OU natin po is XNHS, then our user is the number 2. No? So, punta po tayo sa administrative tools. Then, punta tayo guys sa group policy management. Hanapin natin guys yung forest, the domains, no? So, chs.com is your domain. Then, hanapin natin yung ginawa nating OU kanina. So, your OU is xnhs.com. This time, we're going to create a GPO. Kung ano po yung pangalan dito sa OU, make sure sa GPO, system lang po para hindi po tayo mahirapan. Then, we're going to edit this one. Then, punta tayo sa policy. Sa policy, Windows settings, folder redirection. So, dito tayo sa desktop. Where properties. So, not configured siya dito guys. So, basic lang tayo guys. Then, paste. No? Yung kanina. Apply. Yes. Okay. Then, punta po tayo guys sa CMD para i-type po natin ang gp update /force para po ma-grab ng client ang policy coming from the server. Okay guys, so ganyan po guys ang pag-create ng folder redirection. So, hindi pa po yan tapos. Meron po tayong part 2. Make sure po na naka-follow kayo at subscribe para po sa susunod na video. Salamat guys. Thank you.